Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial on my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add free frame effect to your video with Filmora 11. Okay, so the version I'm currently using is Filmora 11.5. If you want to upgrade to this latest version, I will put the link in the description for you. And if you want to purchase a lifetime license of Filmora 11, also check out my discount coupon code in the description also. Okay, so let's go to my computer screen. Alright, so now I'm inside Filmora 11, and supposing that I have a video here. This is just a stock footage. Very nice, right? And I'm going to put it on the timeline. Just drag and drop it onto the timeline. And then I'm going to find the place that I want to add free frame effect. For example, I can move my playhead to the position that I want to add free frame. At this position, for example. And now all you need to do is to select the video on the timeline, and then you want to click this button, the speed control button. Just click here, and then you will have a free frame option right here. Just select it, and now you have a free frame here. Let's play the video to see the effect. Very nice, right? And if you want to change the duration of the free frame, all you need to do is to select the free frame area here and then select duration. By the way, you can also delete the free frame effect right here with this button also. Just select the duration. And now you can change it from 5 seconds to 10 seconds or 7 seconds or something like that. I will change it to 7 seconds. Okay. Here. And then you can click OK. And remember to check this option, ripple edit. Okay. Otherwise, it will not fit on the timeline if you have something on the right side of the video. Okay, and then click OK. And now you have 7-second free frame. And if you want to add some zoom in and zoom out animation to this free frame, all you need to do is to add some keyframe. For example, this is no animation. Okay, and now I'm going to add some animation to it. So first thing, I want to put my playhead at the beginning of the free frame. And then I'm going to add one keyframe. Just click this button to add one keyframe. And then I'm going to move some frame forward here and select the video again. And now I'm going to scale it up. Maybe 135%. And now we have a zoom in effect for my free frame. Nice, right? And if you want to zoom back into 100%, all you need to do is to add more keyframe. Okay, for example, at this position, I want to add one more keyframe. Just select the video and then add one more keyframe. And put the playhead at the end of the free frame and then reset the scale to 100%. You can click this button to reset the scale. Okay, and now we have a free frame effect in our video. Super nice, right? And if you want to add some text or to show your character name or something like that, it is also very easy. All you need to do is to go to the title tab, and then you want to drag and drop the title box right here. For example, I'm going to select a basic title and select this one. Okay, so I'm going to use the title number 29. Just drag and drop it right here. And then double click at the title box to change it to her name, Jenny Love. I don't know her last name, by the way, it's okay. And then you want to move this one down here and click OK. And this is our final result. Alright, so that is how to add free frame effect in Filmora 11. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. If you have any more questions, just let me know in the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Goodbye!